Ti loin passe côté soleil levé, c'est la famille m'yo habité. Ça fait longtemps que m'a rêvé, qu'à des kounya juste arrivé. Ça fait m'content, ça fait m'content, ça fait m'content. Let my praise joie famille moi yo.
Since a lot of you wanted to see a video of the house, this is my house in Haiti. It's a 3-story building, and it's a beautiful house. Let's go check it out. And basically, this is a big living room here. And right here is the kitchen. The working on it's not done yet. The kitchen is not done yet. But right here is a room. This is a room. And we're gonna do the video really fast. This is the bathroom right here. And we're gonna go over here again. So this is another room. You can count the rooms so you can figure out how many rooms we have here. And this is another bathroom. This bathroom is very big. I like it. The water's working, and you can show it right here. This is another bathroom. So let's go to. Let me show you something else. And this right here is the parking. It's still in construction, so there's still a lot to be done here. But this is the parking. That's where you can leave your car. It's a big parking. You can put anything in here. And we're gonna go to the second story. We're gonna go up the stairs. There is a lot of security camera in this house. So right here is a security camera. We have about 16 security camera, so you're safe. And we in the second story, I believe there's probably 4 rooms in this story, 4 bedrooms. And this is one of the rooms. This is the bathroom. This is a very nice bathroom. So I really like it. It's a very nice bathroom. You can come inside and show the mirror and everything. The water is working and I think everything runs. In this bathroom, everything works. And let's go to another room. I also want you to see the outside. It's like from the balcony. The balcony is very nice. It's like from here. It's a big balcony. You can go from here. You can go all the way here to the other side. You can walk all the way here. There's a lot of rooms in the story, so we should have gone to the living room first. That's a second living room. And it's very big. And there's another kitchen here. This kitchen is in construction as well. The lights are very beautiful here. And here's another room. This room has a very big bathroom. This room has a very big bathroom. I really like it. It looks like the one from the first floor. I like the color. It's very nice. The lights are LED, so it's like daytime. So let's go to another room in the second story. Here's another room in here. So here's another room. And this room has its own bathroom as well. It's a nice bathroom. Very nice bathroom. The water, the running water, and everything. So everything should work. Wash my hands. So I think that's it for this story. I think there is no room because I don't know the house too much. Well, let's go to the third story. in the third story, basically you can see, in the third story you can see the entire city. Basically. It's very nice up here. And let's check one of the rooms. I'm gonna take this one first. I'm gonna go take this room first because it's actually my favorite. I love this room. Let's go here. This room is big and like it has a fan in it. But all of the rooms have fans. And this bathroom is big. It's like, I'm not gonna lie, it's like, to me I think it's probably the biggest bathroom in the house. And it's very big. Let's go to another room. And as I told you, there's a lot of security camera. There's video cameras up here. And let's go to this room. Let's go to this room. This room is very nice too. And it has its own bathroom. So basically, all of the rooms have their own bathrooms. And water is working, I think. Hopefully, they are working. Hopefully, they are working. Let me see. And should be working. And water should be working here with them. Wash my hands. And let's check another room. This room, I basically keep it to, I'm using this room to keep all of the technology stuff like the video camera, internet and everything. As of right now, this is the room where I keep you see, you can see people downstairs that you can be, just the security cameras screen. And there are people in the street looking at the house. And let's go see something else. We can go all the way upstairs. Here we have places where we keep batteries and electricity. It's like this is like the electrical room. But now, as you know, the house is still in construction. Things will be changing as we go. As of right now, this is the electrical room. And let's go to the. Let's go upstairs. It's not getting dark right now. You cannot really see everything here very well, but up here we have the reservoir. That's where we keep the water and a bunch of other stuffs. And as I tell you, the house is in construction. And in the next video, I'm sure you'll be seeing more stuff. But I think that's it for now. And if you want more information, just ask me. Thank you.